Hello guys, today we're going to discuss 9 overused English phrases and we'll focus on advanced alternatives you can use instead of them. If you don't know me, I'm Kate, your English teacher, and my goal is to help you improve your English. Before we get started, I just want to make it clear that I don't tell you never use these phrases. I made this lesson to help you add more native-like phrases to your vocabulary. Sometimes it's cool to express simple ideas in a more advanced way. Now let's get started. The first phrase is I'm busy. We say it very often. Do you agree? Instead of saying I'm busy, say I have a lot on my plate. I have a lot on my plate. The word plate usually means a dish you eat food from. In the phrase, I have a lot on my plate, it means you have many tasks or responsibilities. Imagine your plate is full of food. Just like it's hard to eat too much food at once, it's hard to do too many things at the same time. Take a look at this sentence. She has a lot on her plate with work and school. This means she is very busy with both her job and studying. The next phrase, which is overused, is I need help. Instead of saying I need help, you can say, could you give me a hand? Does it mean to give someone an actual hand? No. Give me a hand is a friendly way to ask for help. Native speakers often use this phrase to make the request sound more friendly. You can also use, could you assist me? It is a more formal way to ask for help. Take a look at these examples. Could you give me a hand with this heavy bag? Could you assist me in filling out this form? So, when you want to ask your friend, you can say, could you give me a hand? And in more formal situations, with your teacher at school or in a store, you can say, could you assist me? When you ask for help. Just imagine your friend asks if you can help them fix their smartphone. You've never fixed a smartphone before, and you say, I will try to do it. I will try to do it. This phrase is extremely overused. Instead of saying, I will try to do it, you can say, I'll give it a shot. I will give it a shot. The word shot usually means firing a gun or taking a picture. But in the phrase, I'll give it a shot, it means trying something even if you're not sure about the result. For example, I've never cooked this dish before, but I'll give it a shot. This means you're not sure how well it will turn out, but you will try to cook it. Another great phrase is, I'll give it a go. I'm not great at painting, but I'll give it a go. That means you're not confident in your painting skills, but you will try to paint. We use I'll give it a shot or I'll give it a go when we want to say we will try to do something and we are not sure about the result. The next phrase, which is overused, and my students say this one all the time. It is difficult for me. It is difficult for me. Instead of saying, it is difficult for me, say, I'm struggling with. I'm struggling with. The verb struggle means to experience difficulty to do something. When you say, I'm struggling with, it means you are trying, but it's not easy. Native speakers use this one a lot. The word struggle means to have a hard time doing something. So, instead of saying it's difficult for me to do it, say I'm struggling to do it or I'm struggling with something. This phrase makes you sound like a native speaker. For example, I'm struggling with my homework. This means you're finding your homework difficult, but you're trying to understand it. She's struggling to lift the box. It is difficult for her to lift the box because it's heavy, but she's making an effort to lift it. Please pay attention. We say I'm struggling with plus a noun or I'm struggling plus two infinitive. The next phrase we say very often, hurry up. Instead of saying hurry up, say, could you speed things up? Or let's move things along. Could you speed things up? Or let's move things along. Imagine a situation. You're getting ready to go to the airport with a friend and you're running late. Your friend is still slowly packing their bags. Instead of saying, hurry up, you can say, could you speed things up? You're politely asking them to pack faster because you're running out of time. You can also say, let's move things along. That means both of you need to move faster so you don't miss your flight. The next overused phrase is I don't understand. I don't understand this. I don't understand that. Instead of saying I don't understand, you can say I'm not following. I'm not following. Imagine a situation. You're in a classroom and the teacher is explaining something, but it's hard to understand. You can say, sorry, I'm not following. Could you explain that again? You can also say, I'm confused. I'm confused. This means you need more explanation. The next phrase is it's easy. Instead of saying it is easy, say it's a breeze. The word breeze means a light, gentle wind. When we say it's a breeze, it means something is very easy to do, just like a gentle wind. It's a breeze. This means the task is very easy. Cooking this recipe is a breeze. This recipe is very simple to make. You can also say it's effortless. It's effortless means the task requires almost no effort. For me, learning new languages is effortless. I can learn new languages easily. Another phrase which is overused is I don't care. People say this one a lot, and sometimes it may sound a bit rude. Instead of saying, I don't care, say, it doesn't matter to me. It doesn't matter to me. You can also say, it's all the same to me, or whatever works for you. Imagine a situation. Your friend asks, should we watch a comedy or action movie? You can say whatever works for you. This means you're letting them decide because it's not important to you. It doesn't matter to me. You mean both are fine. It's all the same to me. That means it doesn't matter to you which one to choose. And the last but not the least phrase, I'm happy. I'm so happy that you're still watching this video. Instead of saying I'm happy, say I'm over the moon or I'm walking on air. Does it really mean to walk on clouds or go up over the moon? Of course not. These are just fun ways to say how happy you feel. These phrases are idioms. And if you want to understand native English speakers better, consider watching my video about idioms. Here's the link. I'm over the moon because I got an A on my test. That means I'm extremely happy about my good grade. I'm walking on air after hearing the good news. That means I'm feeling really happy because of the good news. Please leave a comment below this video and tell me about a time when you felt over the moon. When was the last time you were walking on air? I'm really curious to hear your story. That's it for today's lesson. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet and click that notification bell down below so you'll never miss any of my new videos. If you like my content, you can send me a super thanks. Thank you to all my followers who supported me and my channel. I love you guys. Know that your support really inspires me to create even more great content for you. Please follow me on Instagram, where I post a lot of useful content. Thank you for watching. See you next time.